Let's talk about the use of this dry drink with a capacity of 6 kilograms with a capacity of 6 kilograms. Open settings. Power interface opening settings. Choose manual. Manual. Then what? Door lock. Door lock. Wash. Wash. What is this washing? Standard wash. Standard wash. Then what? 进暖桶. Enter the warm bucket. It's oil coming in, right? Oil inlet. Entering a warm bucket means oil in the volume box. Then come in. Go into the roller, right? Right. Okay, then what? This is oil intake. To what extent? Let's take a look after 15 to 15. When clicking into the drum, the oil will automatically enter the drum from the bottom box. Enter the roller through the filter. Automatically pass through the filter and then into the roller. The night dream started by myself, right? For automatic startup. By 15 now the oil is in. Let's take a look. Very oily. 15. After the oil arrives, wait for the loop CD to press 7. Cyclic CD pair. What to press 7? Press 7 cycles to wash the mud. Press 7 cycles to wash the mud. At this time its oil does not pass through the filter. No more passing through the solution box. Without going through the solution chamber. At this time the oil mixed in the mixture passes through the filter. Pass the filter and pass the liquid pump. Then loop in the project. Yes, yes, yes. Wash while circulating. You can choose a few minutes to move to the next step. Control this time by yourself, right? Right. For example, wash it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. After washing, directly controlled mud oil discharge. Can't take oil, it's not good. What you think of is 2 minutes and 2 minutes. You can have more. Click high drag, press high drag. After the time is up, press the oil drain. The oil in the drum will automatically discharge into the volume box. Is that what it means? Are you coming in now?
Oh, come in, come in, come in.
The oil of the roller is automatically entered into the volume box. Well, turn off the washing mud and push it high. Drag the high or drag the medium. Right. You can either drag in the middle or drag in the high or drag in the middle or drag in the high or drag in the middle 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 or drag in. Then take off the dryness, right?